We're an Aussie family heading to Japan with 4 kids. Here are our 10 smart packing tips that saved us on the trip. So it's the morning of the day before we fly out to Japan. What are you working on, Peter?
Well, I'm wrapping birthday presents now, but I was packing these. So, because we've got 4 kids that are very hungry, especially on a 10-hour flight, I thought of getting plastic containers and then thought plastic containers are something that you're going to have to carry around on the plane with you. So it was too much to add to our luggage. So I just got lots of little snacks. Well, for each of the 4 kids, plus Luke. He's a bit of a kid himself. And then I'm doing breakfast.
Here we have Taya, my eldest daughter. And Taya, are you excited to go to Japan?
Yes.
You are, yeah. Now we've been working on something. I'm just going to show you before we pack. Some little cards. What have we created, Taya? Show us. Let's have a look.
It's so it has like some if you it has some English words.
Now one says, I feel unwell.
And then down here it says the same thing but in Japanese.
And it also has phonics, guys. So it actually tells.
And it also has a picture.
Has a picture and it has phonics, so it tells us how to say it. So, you know, like onigaishimasu or whatever, it sort of spells it out for us.
There's lots of them.
There's lots of them. There sure is. We've printed them off. And why do you think we've printed them off?
So it can help us.
Yeah, so we can walk around, and if you guys get stuck or we can't remember some words, that's okay, we'll pick them up in a second. What we can do is we can show the cards to people as well, like, you know, where's the bathroom or something like that. So
I had one of those, and there was one of those in here, but I think it's on the floor now.
Oh, that was silly, but that's okay. Here's a close-up. So if you're going to Japan, you do not want to be packing a lot of clothes, and you want to, with so many staircases in Japan at train stations, we just wanted to keep everything on our back in majority, except for maybe the souvenir suitcase, of course. But this is what we're packing. These are from Amazon, and these little packs that are inside it, and I'll show you, this keeps everything organized. And you'll see here, like, this is my socks and everything's nice and tight. There's a little wash bag there too, but you can see here these bags that show just how much can fit. That's like 7 shirts, and everything's nice and neat. And when I get to the airport and I need to check in, all my undies and everything else aren't flying all over the place, because we're just doing this as carry-on. Because also in Japan, this size bag is like really good for the trains. You don't want to be reserving a seat with large luggage. So if you take large luggage to Japan, you have to book a seat for luggage over, I think it's 160 centimeters total sides. So this size is perfect. It goes like overhead on the train and the plane, and you're walking around it on your back, so you're not, you know, just sort of disturbing the peace, so to speak. So perfect for Japan, and our entire family are taking something like this. Another great tip when traveling to Japan is AirTags, and as you can see here, we've bought these little holders, clip-ons. This bag doesn't come with like a hidden AirTag compartment, but yeah, the bags that have got the more expensive gear in, yeah, we're just tracking them, and also just, you know, to make sure that we don't lose luggage. Another tip is when you're going with a family, and this is just in case you don't get phone reception, we have printed all our tickets and put them into a little folder here, and we're taking them along with us too. Okay, so number 6 is mobile phone tips. First of all, I have a folder on my homepage here with all the Japan apps. I put a little flag on it, I can change the color, and you can see here I've got the Wise and Klook app, the Smart X for the traveling, and most importantly the Visit Japan Web. Now with the Visit Japan Web app, I just wanted to point out another tip here. When you get to Japan, you're probably not going to have a signal, and in the clearance area there's no signal at all. So you fill out your visa through this app, and so you can see how we've added everybody here. You'll get a QR code before you leave, and I can't click on it because it's obviously greyed out at the moment because I've just got back, but you'll be able to show these QR codes. Now, it won't work, so the best thing I can do, or the best tip I can give you, is to, in your galleries, have a folder and put everybody's QR code who's traveling with you as a screenshot, and also make sure you have your passports saved as well in case you lose them. You can have a backup. That's another mobile tip. Okay, so here's another tip. Shoelaces. Kids and adults, including mine, as you can see, there are none. They're elastic, they come with these little connections, and they hold really well when you're walking around. And in Japan, because you take your shoes off to enter certain places, but also any houses, Airbnbs you stay at, you must take your shoes off. This is the quickest, best way to do it. So yeah, shoes are a little bit dirty, we just got back, but I wanted to show you that these were a game changer, a lifesaver, and to be honest, I've continued to use no laces, just elastic laces. I'll put a picture on the screen. Okay, something really awesome for your trip that I couldn't live without, or we couldn't live without as a family, was the bum bag that we got from Amazon. It has a little RFID pouch, protected pouch, so if you've got cards and stuff you're worried about, it goes in there. But what it held was, at the back of it, in the pouch, was all our passports, so we had those, just in case for certain things. We had battery packs for our mobile phones. We had different types with cables. We had cables in here to go to our phones and things like that. Tablets, Band-Aids. And the other thing that was really good was the front pocket we used all the time for cash. So coins, notes, that sort of thing. And probably one of the most important parts was our Pasmo cards. With a lot of children, you're stopping at gates and you're worried about your 6-year-old losing them in and out of the bum bag all the time. So for drinks or for trains, we took hundreds of trains. I think it was 88 train trips in the end. Pasmo card, you get to the airport, you basically go to the train line area and you get one, you show them your passport. There's usually a guard there up until 11 o'clock at night. And you can get ones for your kids and adults as well. And yeah, that was pretty cool. And just one other thing it has is it's got this strap with a little clip on it. Some lockers, they'll give you a key, and what you can do is hook your keys on, put it back in there, and you're not going to lose them. So fantastic. The bum bag was taken everywhere we went, and we used it all the time. So an absolute lifesaver is the Wise card. We used it everywhere we went. We used it with the app, and we were able to transfer Australian dollars over to Japan yen and back, and being able to transfer between family members that went as well. So couldn't recommend it enough. Being able to transfer from your own bank card to the Wise card pretty much instantly meant that we were safe, our money in our bank account was safe, and yeah, everything worked seamlessly. This worked everywhere, 7-Elevens, shops, you name it. We had one little issue where I think we had to hit credit at one store at Haneda Airport, but that was it. Otherwise, works everywhere in Japan.
So one of the best advice that someone gave me when travelling to Japan was to carry a bag, a rubbish bag. Japan has no bins. If you've got kids, we've got 4. It's really hard to try and find somewhere to put your rubbish. So Luke got these off Amazon, and we put probably about 2 of these in the kids' bags per day. And then what we did was we kept all our rubbish in them. They're quite big, so they hold quite a bit, and carry it around with us all day until we find a bin. In most cases, there's a bin close by or down the street, I guess. But that was one of the great tips, was to put all your rubbish in there, empty it out when you came to a bin, and then refill it.
So another little bag to take along with you is the ZOMAKE bags. These are excellent. They're from Amazon, little fold-up bag. These actually went in our luggage on the way to Japan, but then became carry-on the way back, and vice versa, this sort of thing. They're perfect for the train, and they're compact, so we could take these out in our backpacks in the morning, and then when the kids said, oh, they wanted to buy something, we'd just give this to one of the kids and they would start using them, or they would use them on day trips to like Home or Hiroshima. They fold out backwards, and as you can see, I'll just get it out, it turns into a backpack with a strap on it so they don't fall off the backs. It holds water bottles, umbrellas, their cards and chargers and things, and it was fantastic to travel around Japan with these on the allowing the kids to carry some of the weight, so mum and dad didn't have to carry it all the time. So yeah, highly recommend. Fantastic to take along with you, and if anything, just allows you to check in your luggage on the way home, your backpack luggage, and then put these on as carry-on. So fantastic bags to take. That's our top 10 packing tips for Japan with the kids. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and check out our next video when we take it to Japan.